My video tutorial is about removing the adware type application attacking Mac computers. This time this adware is called SupportGrid. The trouble is that this adware may be spread through integration with certain free applications, and many times users simply download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if this SupportGrid was somehow mistakenly injected into your system, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it urgently. So on your Mac, check your applications. If you find this SupportGrid, right-click on it and move it to the trash. My other recommendation is that you also additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.